Now, the next award, it gives me immense joy to announce this. Uh, this award goes to Dr. Baldev Singh, who is a part of National Cadet Corps NCC India currently, who has been serving for the Indian Army. That is so amazing. I have such immense respect for someone in the army because I feel there is no other job. I'm not, discounting any job here, but the level of commitment, the level of dedication that is required to be a part of the army is just immense. For me, it is just beyond words. I have people, I have some relatives who work for the army, and I know, I have an idea of their sacrifices, the things that their families, have to bear. So it's such an honor, sir, to welcome you to go ahead and receive this award. Once again, let's welcome Dr. Baldev Singh, Colonel Dr. Baldev Singh. I'm so sorry. To go ahead
Thank you, ma'am.
and most welcome, sir. So let's just
Thank you,
ask
ma'am.
him to share a few things. Sir, I'm very curious. You've been recommended by your NCC cadets and the officers, which shows that you are very loved and respected by all of them because they have recommended you here. So just let us know about your some of your significant or some of your contributions to this field. Share that with us. We'll really be honored if you could do that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I don't know whether I've contributed significantly or not. And I'm very thankful to the NC cadets and the officers, those who recommended my name. I'm really, really, from the bottom of my heart, I'm really thankful. Uh, but serving in NCC, coming from Army on deputation with the National Cadet Corps is a altogether different experience. Serving the youth of the country, transforming their life and building their character, building their personality is a very good experience. We in the army are, kind of got the training to train the people. But here, when we train the youth, they come and they touch our feet and they, simply consider as their gurus. That is a immensely satisfying experience. Really, really is immensely satisfying experience. And I can say one of the experience, I was posted in Srinagar in 2016-17, and after we took a personality development lecture and some kind of activities, one cadet came to me after the lecture was over, and he touched my feet and he just shared that, sir, you are like my Professor Javed. And I asked, what Professor Javed and who Professor Javed? I don't know. He said, sir, I'm totally inspired by Professor Javed because he is the person who's brought me here, and because of him, I'm here in the Amar Singh College of Srinagar, and he is my role model. But today, I think that you are my second role model, and your words have really touched my heart, and that's why I come to meet you and pay my regards and thanks to you. And that was a really a very amazing experience for me. And these kind of there are many more experiences, but when we see the smile on the faces of the cadets when we train them and when we guide them properly, it gives immense experience and immense satisfaction, ma'am. That's what I wanted to say, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I think there's nothing greater than being a role model to somebody, and it's really amazing. I have few more questions to ask you, but I'm just going to settle for one more question because of the time constraint. Um I want to ask you that what drives you, what motivates you, because this a job like this requires a lot of energy. So what drives you, or what motivates you to show up every day to work and give so much of energy?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm a soldier. So for a soldier, the nation is always first. We can go to any extreme for the safety and security of our nation, because we truly believe that living like a lion for even a single day is better than living like a goat for 1,000 years. Independence of the country and the security of the nation is the prime for us. And when we come to NCC, we build the youth character. And building the character of the youth is very, very crucial element for the nation building. And it is no denying the fact that the quality of any nation depends upon the quality of its people, and the building people's character, building the youth of the country, and in turn building the nation is a matter of pride for us. That is the motivation, that is the drive behind it, to work for the nation. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir, for sharing. So let's move ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I would just like to repeat this because I really, really liked it. Sir said this, that, building youth characters, contributes to building the nation. Amazing. Let's give a huge round of applause virtually to Colonel Dr. Baldev Singh. So thank you, sir, for being a part of this function, and congratulations. Let's move on to the next name.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. My pleasure. I'm honored, really, really honored.
Most
Again,
welcome.
from the bottom of my heart, I convey my sincere thanks to all the cadets and the ANOs who have recommended my name. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, a quick message to all the cadets and NCC, all those who are there. You are doing a great job. Continue doing that. So, lots of love and good wishes from all of us to each and everyone who's a part of NCC. So, one virtual clap. People, they deserve it more than anyone else. So, one big round of virtual applause for all the amazing NCC cadets, the youth, the ones who are contributing to the welfare of our country. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.